Hello and welcome to Lazy Chef. Today I'll be telling you how to make churros. The ingredients are as follows. First I have 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of water, 1 egg, vanilla essence, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar and 1/4 bowl butter. For coating we have granulated sugar and half a teaspoon cinnamon powder. We will first prepare the coating, mix cinnamon powder and granulated sugar together. Now we will keep the oil for heating. Till then we will prepare the batter. In a pan, first add water, then butter. Now we'll add the granulated sugar and salt. Stir it till the butter melts and water comes to a boil. After it has boiled, simmer the flame and add flour. Now we'll mix it with a wooden spoon. Now remove it from the flame and mix with a fork. Now let it sit for 6 to 7 minutes. Knead the dough with your hand and the consistency should be like this. The batter is ready. Now let's start making the churros. Take a piece of the dough and roll it lengthwise. Flatten it from top and the bottom and press it. Now using the back side of a spoon, we'll make 2 lines like this. Now use your hands and twist it and pat it a little so it stays in shape. Now fry the churro on medium-high flame. After it gets brown on one side, flip it. Once golden brown on both the sides, take it out and put it on a paper towel. Now the last step is to coat it with the mixture of granulated sugar and cinnamon. We have to do it while it's still hot. Churros are ready. You can serve it with Hershey's syrup, but I like it best with Nutella. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share.